I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to.
What's up, you all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how I prep some liver. John, this video was recommended by you. Here I am preparing some liver. So here I am peeling the skin off, which looks a little plasticky on the side. You can trim this off, or you can try to tear this off. That part should not be consumed. Once I remove or trim all the skin from it, then I cut this in small pieces, or you can cut to the desired pieces that you would like. Once I am done, I wash this with some vinegar. I wash this a few times, pour the water from it, then I used paper towel to dry any excess water. I use a tablespoon garlic powder, oregano, Maggi all-purpose, onion powder, Mrs. Dash, garlic and herb, Mrs. Dash original, paprika. I used cayenne pepper, a little hint of Himalayan salt, a little hint of black pepper, and a fish and meat seasoning. This is optional. This is more like on the Jamaican side. Once I'm done, I covered and I left for a while to season so that the season will soak in. For my green seasonings, I use bell pepper, rosemary, escallion, thyme, garlic. I used bay leaf, Jamaican style hot pepper because I love this like really spicy. And this was beef liver. Once I added the seasonings, then I added in the beef and I poured soy sauce on it to give it color. If you don't add soy sauce or browning to it, it will be white. So yes, I added, and you can also do burnt sugar to get the browning or the color that you want. I cooked this for at least 30 minutes. You can cook it as dark as you want. Then because I did not use any tomato on it, I used a little paste to help with my gravy. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and I did use some pimento greens in it called spice. I cooked this up for dinner and I served this with some spinach on the side, some ripe plantains, some pumpkin, and some sweet potato with some avocado. Listen, I haven't had liver in almost 3-4 years. This tasted good. It was delicious. It was off the chain. Please remember to give your girl a likey. It is free. Why not touch the little finger and just give me a like for watching the video? If you made it this far, let me stop and give you a second to like the video. Thank you for liking. See you soon.